What's going on, YouTube? Guess what? We back with another one. I got a quick question. How many of you guys been dealing with a clapped out suspension, or maybe need some tuning, or almost dropped it, some revalving done? What do you go about? What do you do? Do you just take it to your local dealer, take it to a mechanic you know, or do you just go eBay style and get you a brand new one? Today, before we get involved in taking the shock off, let me run you back. Let's hit rewind on why I'm here today. So hit the subscribe and like and stay tapped in, because we got a brand new shock and we about to take this clap one out and put this new one in. Stay tuned. Hey, I hope everybody holidays was blessed as mine. But hey, we back in the garage. You know what's going on, man. We on that 125 work. So lately, I know y'all been seeing me over here on that big KTM 125 and been neglecting my baby over here. So what's been going on with that 125 YZ is the back shock is toast. Yeah, y'all, so I jumped on my boy G-Bike for the past couple weeks just because, man, my shock back there is doing this, just springy kicking. Y'all know how it is, man. It's unsafe right now. So, yeah, man, I finally found somebody who has a shock that's already kind of rebuilt on eBay. So we're gonna go pick that up. It's local, so yeah, man. We're on our way to do that right now. Yeah, so like I said, we're on our way to go grab that new shock from the guy. He also told me he got a whole bunch of little goodies for the YZ. So he never owned the dirt bikes, but he had them in the garage, I think from a, you know, when you buy a trailer, a storage unit or something like that. Anyway, I'm gonna find out, but he told me he got a lot of new goodies and stuff, old parts that just sitting around, so we're gonna see what we can get. But yeah, man, y'all hit that like, subscribe, stay tapped in. We about to go get it, man. It's time to get, we gotta get YZ. We gotta get back, big YZ back out there on them trails, y'all. I'm rocking with the KTM, but you know, YZ, that's my baby. We gotta get her out there this weekend, y'all, so stay tapped in. But I forgot, goddamn. Had to get the goddamn cash about here. Almost pulled up on Buddy with the hand out. Thought he was gonna give it to me, huh? Playing right there, they gotta get it fixed, but gotta get it fixed. Woo, that thing done overheated on them, boy. Yes, sir, we have arrived. We have arrived. All right, y'all, so we got the shot, you know what I'm saying? I didn't want to take the camera into his location, respecting his wishes, but brand new, well, not brand new, but a brand new used KYB, so y'all stay tapped in. Now we got to head to the dirt bike shop, get this new tube, so we on the mission, y'all. All right, guys, so we got that shot. Dude didn't want me to open up that camera inside, but I ain't gonna cap, y'all. Dude has so much parts and other objects and things, but yeah, he a real deal outside woodsman type guy, so I know how it go. But yeah, man, hit that like, subscribe. We about to head up into the dirt bike shop, man, get a new tube, because my tube is flat. So yeah, man, we got a little work to do. Y'all hit that like, subscribe, stay locked in. I see you. See, that boy G up here on that 250 in them woods across the street. Yeah, man, there we go. Put it into the that's what I need right there. That's what we need from them woods. Stop playing with me. Dual sport, I go in and out. In and out. Open the door with your seat, folk will about me. I know to come for the holidays. I told you. I said that boy over there across the street. Across the street. Said that boy dirty, we're going. I told y'all yesterday that y'all seen that white Jeep over there. I said that boy either in the woods or he over there getting some goods. You know what that get ready for tomorrow. Look at that, boy. That's a special edition, ain't it? That's a different edition, ain't it? But these folks, got no electric start, though. These folks done dropped the special edition in here, y'all. What that say on the back? Red? Red? Okay, look at those seats. Electric start on it. Yeah, right. Come on, goddamn. Can we get that Enduro set up, please? It's simple though. Clutch feels good. Say why? This the real YZ, baby. He ain't here. Look at him, y'all. Boy about to lose his mind, but this where we going there. Oh, that's 65. I thought that was 85.
That was 60. That's what I need. Robert has that 60.
I was about to say, yeah, this 85 right here.
This one's too big for me. I can't reach my foot.
got this in your. That's crazy.
Build me a little a stand like
YZ400, YZ450, and we had cycle specialist, man. Stop playing with my stuff. Kodiak, what you need out here right now, goddamn? Cold as hell. Yes, sir. So we back at the house, man, and y'all seen we ran into my boy. We hit the shop. We did a little shopping, and we got a shot. My YZ125 shot is clapped out, and I ain't gonna talk y'all ears off. So we went on eBay. We found a dealer we found a guy as you see, and we went ahead and caught that. You already know, man. The routine. You gotta take the seat off, hit the screw right here, get the frame loose, lift that frame up, go to the bottom down there, the swing arm. We gotta get that shock up out of there to get the new one in. So, no further ado, let's show you how to take your 125 or 250. This is most likely gonna be the procedure to do. I mean, it's dirt bikes, it ain't too, you know. But yeah, let's get it. First thing I gotta do is go ahead and get this seat off. All right, now just that easy. We took the 2 screws out the back. Boom, seat off. One in the back, one on the right, one on the left. Simple. All right, now we moving on to the frame on both the bottom, on both sides. All right, YouTube, as you see, got the bolt set on both sides, which frees up the seat. We went down here to these bolts on both sides. That will release the frame to be able to swing up. Next, we finna go right here. We ain't gonna swing it up, we just gonna take the whole subframe off. So this bolt, and then you see that bolt back there, that's gonna be the one we get to release the shock. And then down there at the bottom, we got this one right here. All right, bolt is loose a little early. Woo, woo. All right, next, we go at that carb right there. All right, guys, from this point, we should just be able to go ahead and turn the front off of there. That easy. So as you see, just a couple of bolts and you get that whole subframe off. This would be a good time if you want to go ahead and get you a new subber, update your kit. It's the time to do it, but voila, there we go, the shock. Definitely time for a rebuild. I mean, we ain't got to trash it. Electron car back there, goddamn. He hanging in there too, man. Doing me good, doing me good. All right, guys, man, got me a torque wrench, because I know that bottom's gonna be on there nice and tight. So, yeah. Yep, just getting this swing on, bro. Right here at the bottom. It's torqued down, so I suggest getting a torque wrench, or if you got your drill charged up, like me. Yeah. Yep, so as you can see, we got them about out of there, so. Boom, just like that, out of there. Oh, on to that last buckaroo in there. Let's go. So you might want to get you a wrench. This one is made by Motion Pro. As you can see, you can order that on the Amazon or motionpro.com. But yeah, it's a good solid OEM to most of your bolts. It's going on a jet bike. So yeah, we're just gonna get this second. Go the other way on the bolt, my bad. Get that bolt off in there, nice and secure. That Motion Pro kept them slug in there, as you see, then drop it. Pull that bolt out, up. That shock just dropped. All right, you see? And just like that, she's out of there. So, Okay, as you can see, I got the old one off. And yeah, let's get that side by side comparison. So I see this one has a more newer outside high speed ring than this one. So yeah, that's a O. I mean, that's a up. My OEM one had lost its bumper down there. Bumper is gone. As you can see right here, we have a bumper in this one. Mine didn't. So yeah, But yeah, we are dealing with the same exact one. It matches up. And I actually think that this one right here might have had a little work done to it. It feels very stiff. And like I said, as you can see, this one has that different high-speed compression ring on the outside. And the one right here just had like the bolt and the screw. So, yep. Well, you know what time to do now. Got to get this new one on here. But first, I definitely got to clean up the section, all that good stuff right here. Wash up them bolts that came out and get it clean. Yeah, man, as you see, time lapse, that took about 25 good minutes, man. You just dealing with about 7 screws. Look up the OEM specs. Drill to get it right off. If not, grab your little torque wrench like I did, and that's it to it, man. But yeah, let's keep it going, man. I got to get the shot back on, because guess what? I'm trying to pop it out this weekend, so you know the routine, man. YZ, baby. Trying to get them back. Yes, sir. So first we're going to get a little maximum grease. Go ahead, grease up all my little screws and bearings and all that to go back down in there. We're going to start with getting that bottom in first. So just line it up right there. As you see, we're just gonna slide it up a little bit more. But yeah, just line it up and get them in. The reason why I do the bottom first is because, as you can see, the hole's gonna be off this tab, but you can lift the wheel to get that up even. Vice versa, you get it up there, then you try to lift the wheel, the hole, while you screw up, put something under there. But yeah, I just like that way. Put the bottom nut in first, then go to the top one. Yep, now, come through there, like I said, just lift this up. Then they're trying to put that bottom one in first, last. Yes, sir. So that's how we looking as of now. I don't know, man. That yellow in there kind of came together, didn't it? You got the electron with the yellow writing on it. We got the spring yellow. Besides that, as you see now, we had that shot back on all the way down. Dang, clip running and everything. Bearings nice and good. They ain't all washed out and wobbly. Same thing on the bottom. Actually got that bumper, yeah, because my bumper was toast. It was gone. So yeah, man, I'm loving that. I'm gonna go ahead and drop it off the stand. We're gonna put some little weight on it after I torque it down, and we're gonna see if it's stiffer. I know I got that just spring. Spring already look like it's jacked way up in my sag setting. So yeah, that's another thing. Next we're going into the sag, get that right. And then I probably gotta go ahead and adjust my clickers because it's probably not set to me or my riding style or whatever. But yeah, man, out with the old, in with the new. All right, the space on the lower bolt is 41. So I got my torque wrench set to 41. So if you don't know what a torque wrench is, this is basically gonna give you up to, as you can see, 150 foot-pounds to 200, whatever spec you get it. Mine goes to 150 to 200. But anyway, yeah. Hear that click? That's where you know you gotta set to the right spec. Yep, same thing on the bottom. We got him torque. Now we in there. Let me see. Ooh, big difference, boy. I should be able to actually pull my shock up. Now I ain't getting. Now I'm gonna go ahead and just take it up the stand. I just want to see. Dang, that's weird. Take your bike up the stand with that part, huh? Oh yeah, that's that. A little stand up test. Let me see. Ooh, yeah. Oh yeah, that's way better, yeah. Yeah, I like that. I like that, boy.
Bruh.
Ooh, yeah, that's what I'm talking about right there. The rebound. The rebound comes, so that's what kicked me out the bike, made me break my shoulder. Rebound came up too quick on me. Threw me off. So yeah. And I ain't even played with the clickers and adjustments or nothing yet. So I think we won with this one, y'all. Definitely better than what the hell I was riding on. For sure. I could damn near go get that shot and almost squeeze on my own 160-pound strength. So yeah. We done got that shot back on. As you see, last things I gotta do is really adjust the clickers and set my sag, you know. But I think I'm gonna go ahead and wrap that video right here today, y'all. So, as you seen, man, we went and got the shot. We ain't got the KYB connector. Took off my old one because it was blown, toasted, you know, and came back with something fresh. A little bit fresher, not 100% brand new fresh, but definitely better. It got a factory connection spring on it. I looked it up. It's set to my for my weight size, so I'm happy with that. Like I said, all I gotta do is probably just go ahead and adjust my sag and stuff. But until that next one, man, y'all hit that like, subscribe, come back, tell a friend again to watch it with you, and that's it, man. Y'all enjoy the rest of y'all day. Catch y'all on the next one. Big love, 125 baby. I'm out.